Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KC65, serving a portion of east-central Minnesota and west-central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 7:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
At 7 a.m. in the Twin Cities, light snow was falling. The visibility was 1 mile. It was 28 degrees, or -2 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 26. The relative humidity was 92%. The wind was southeast at 12 miles an hour. The wind chill was 18. The pressure was 29.65 inches and falling. Around the metro, temperatures were between 27 and 28 degrees. Snow was falling at Blaine, Lakeville, and Lake Elmo. At St. Paul, snow and fog reported. At Eden Prairie, snow and fog reported. Around the state, snow was falling, with a temperature of 27 at Rochester, 26 at Brainerd, 21 at Duluth, and 20 at International Falls. At St. Cloud, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 28. Across the Dakotas, temperatures were between 19 and 21 degrees. At Fargo, snow was falling. At Sioux Falls, it was mostly cloudy. In Iowa, snow was falling, and temperatures were between 29 and 32 degrees. Around Wisconsin, at Eau Claire, mixed precipitation was falling, with a temperature of 23. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 28 at Madison, and 30 at Milwaukee. Once again at 7 a.m. in the Twin Cities, it was 28 degrees. The wind chill was 18, with light snow.
A blizzard warning is in effect through 1 a.m. Tuesday west of the line from Long Prairie to St. Cloud to just west of the Twin Cities, to Faribault to Albert Lee. A winter storm warning is in effect in Minnesota east of this line, including the Twin Cities metro area, to the Wisconsin border. A winter weather advisory is in effect across western Wisconsin. A band of snow has been moving across Minnesota overnight, and will move into western Wisconsin after 7 a.m. this morning. This band will produce 2 to 5 inches of snow. A powerful cold front will follow this band of snow and produce strong winds which will last through this evening. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour have been observed across the Dakotas overnight, and these west-northwest winds will spread across western and southern Minnesota later this morning, persisting into early Monday evening. These strong winds will interact with the new snow and cause whiteout conditions south of Interstate 94 and west of Interstate 35. Blowing snow will also occur across the remaining parts of the region, but slightly lighter winds and more trees should preclude blizzard conditions over far eastern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. The blowing and drifting snow will make the Monday evening commute difficult in these areas. The Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, March 17, 2013. Yesterday's high temperature was 29 degrees. This high was 13 degrees below the normal high of 42. The record high is 80 degrees, which was set in 2012. Yesterday's low temperature was 9. This low is 16 degrees below the normal low of 25. The record low is -8 degrees, which was set in 1941. The mean temperature was 19 degrees. No precipitation fell yesterday. No snow fell yesterday. The normal high temperature for today is 42 degrees, and the normal low is 25. The record high for today is 79, which occurred in 2012, and the record low is -8, which occurred in 1923. Sunrise today is at 7:19 a.m. and sunset is at 7:23 p.m. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, windy. Snow in the morning, then snow showers likely in the afternoon. Areas of blowing and drifting snow through the day. Snow may be heavy at times in the morning. Accumulation of 2 to 3 inches. Storm total snow accumulation around 4 inches. Highs around 30. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, increasing to west 25 to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tonight, windy. Areas of blowing and drifting snow in the evening. Mostly cloudy with snow showers likely in the evening, then partly cloudy overnight. Little or no snow accumulation. lows around 5. West winds 20 to 30 miles an hour decreasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour overnight. Chance of precipitation 60%. Tuesday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow showers in the afternoon. Highs around 20. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow showers in the evening, then mostly clear overnight. Low 0 to 5 above. Northwest winds around 15 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow showers. Highs around 15. Lows near 0. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly clear. Highs around 20. Lows around 5. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 30. Lows around 15. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows around 20. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today: windy. Snow in the morning, then snow showers likely in the afternoon. Areas of blowing and drifting snow through the day. Snow may be heavy at times in the morning. Accumulation of 2 to 3 inches. Storm total snow accumulation around 4 inches. Highs around 30. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour increasing to west 25 to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon.
This is the Twin City metropolitan area.